4 класс, английский язык, звездный английский, домашнее задание, урок 46, часть 2, страница 108-109, English, Starlight for homework, lesson number 46, part number 2, page number 108, 109. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 108. 108. The stone flower. Listen, point to the pictures and say the words. Каменный цветок. Послушай, покажи на картинках и проговори слова. Couple – пара. Stone carver – скульптор по камню. Repeat after me. Couple – stone carver. Listen and read the story. Послушай, покажи на картинках и проговори слова. Послушай и прочитай историю. The mistress smiles and says, "All right, Danila, go back home, and for your honesty, I will reward you. You will not lose the craft that you have learned here, but you must not tell the people of the village about my magic gun." Katya and Danila go home happy. Everyone in the village is excited to see the young couple back together again. They all ask, "Danila, where did you go?" Danila just smiles and says, "I went to study my craft with a master who lives far away." Danila became famous all over Russia, and people called him the greatest stone carver in the Ural Mountains. And so Katya and Danila lived happy ever after. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 109. 109. Exercise number 1. Other sentences, true or false. Read the story again and say true or false. Предложение правдивый или ложный. Прочитай заново историю и скажи, правда или ложь. Read exercise number 1, sentence number 1. The mistress of Copper Mountain rewards Danila for his honesty. Sentence number 1. The answer true. Госпожа Медной горы награждает Данилу за его честность. Ответ правда. Sentence number 2. The mistress of Copper Mountain wants everyone to know about the magic garden. Number 2. The answer false. Госпожа Медной горы хочет, чтобы все узнали про волшебный сад. False. Sentence number 3. Katya and Danila stay on the mountain. Number 3. The answer false. Катя и Данила остаются на горе. False. Sentence number 4. Everyone in the village is excited to see Katya and Danila again. Number 4. The answer true. Все в деревне в восторге снова видеть Катю и Данилу. True. Read sentence number 5. Danila became famous all over Russia. Sentence number 5. True. Данила стал знаменитым по всей России. True. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Read the story again and find the word or words that mean. Прочитай заново историю и найди слово или слова, которые означают. The words okay, two people, learn, not near. The ones. Number 1, all right, хорошо. Number 2, couple, пара. Number 3, study, учиться. Number 4, far away, далеко. Boys and girls, do exercise number 3. Let's sing. Давай споем. The most precious things in life are right before your eyes. The people that you love the most are always by your side. There's no need to go away. There's no need to go too far. When you find the ones you love, you will find your shining star. The most precious things in life are right in front of you, and they the ones who love you for the things you say and do. Boys and girls, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter